Welcome to my channel. Let's talk about love. Love is not just ordinary thing, not ordinary word. Hindi pinaglalaroan, dapat galing sa puso. Anyway, kaninang umaga, nagkaroon ako ng greetings for the newlywed. My niece getting married with a Korean in the US. So, online. Sabi ko, Nika at John, let love prevail in your married life. Just look at what our God the Father did for us. It was a perfect love by offering His own only Son to die on the cross for His love for us, so that Jesus Himself died on the cross, suffered very much for His love to us by redeeming our sins. So, like that, John, offer your life to Nika, and Nika, offer also your life to John. Make your husband the top priority of your time. In your vows, it's not only till death, but till life after death. Try to accept and love not only the strengths, but also both of your weaknesses. Nika, do not look for something in John which John doesn't have. And John doesn't have to look for something in Nika that Nika does not have. So, you love him as what he is and what she is. So, even if you have storms that will encounter in your life, storm number 1, signal number 1, number 2, number 3, this will never destroy your married life, because the power of love will prevail. The power of love will always be in the top of your married life. So with that, you will be able to live, last your relationship forever. Bye. Like and share and comment.